Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Nimsha Davies. So in the last video we have discussed a problem, second problem from the LeetCode series, which is add two numbers. Okay, I hope you got that concept, and today we are going with the third problem. Okay, let's get started. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also enable the notification bell. So this is our third program or third problem, longest substring without repeating the character. So we have a string called S, and we have to find the length of the longest substring without duplicate characters. Okay, so yeah, let's start. I hope you got the concept right. So here we have already defined a class called a solution, which contain a method length of longest substring. Okay, and it takes a string S as input and also returns an integer which represents the length of the longest substring without repeating the character. Okay, fine. Now we can initialize an empty dictionary to store the last seen index of each character. So char index equal an empty dictionary. Okay, and we can give, yeah, we can initialize a left boundary of the sliding window. So left equals 0. It will helps to track the start of the current substring. Okay, and we can initialize another variable called a max. So length equals 0. Sorry, length equals 0, which stores the maximum length that found so far of a substring without repeating the character. Okay, we have to return the same max length. Fine. Now we can start a loop which loops over each character in the string using its index. Okay, for right in range ln of s. Right is the right boundary of the sliding window. Got it? And we can check two things. First thing, if the current character s of right has been seen before. Second thing, if that previously seen character is within the current window or not. That means if it's inside, sorry, if its index is not before left. Okay, so if s of right in char underscore index. Okay, and we have to check the second thing, char underscore index of s of right greater than or equal to left. Okay, we have to check these two things. If both conditions are true, it means a duplicate is found inside the current window. Okay, so left equals char underscore index s of right plus 1. So we will move the left boundary just past the previous index of the current character to remove the duplicate from the window. Okay, then okay, if the condition is not true, we can update the dictionary within the current index of the character. Okay, char index s of right equals right. It will ensure that the future duplicates checks are accurate or not. Okay, then max underscore length equals max underscore length comma right minus left plus 1. we can calculate the length of the current window, that is right minus left plus 1. And also we are updating the max underscore length if the current window is longer. Okay, then we can return max underscore length. Simple. After the loop, it will return the maximum length we just found. Yes, all cases are accepted, so we can submit it. Yes. So I hope you got the concept. Okay. If you are new to Python domain, you will feel little bit difficult to understand this concept. But if you are already know Python, you can catch it up quickly. But if you are learning any programming language, don't first focus on the programming language. Just try to understand the concept. Just try to understand the max behind that programming. Okay, or max behind that question. Just solve it as a real world problem, not as a programming language, not as a programming thing. Just forget about the programming side. Just develop your logic first. Before starting into any coding, try to understand the logic behind that question. Try to solve it as a real world problem. Okay? Yes. So, yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.